So we're going to get the drain set on our shower stall install here. And I've got the pieces already cut and they need to be glued together. PVC. Well, they make a PVC glue, and you need to use a specific PVC type of cement, as you see right here. I just picked this up at my local hardware store here. You can buy smaller ones like this, or you can buy a large one. Now, the cement will melt basically the two pieces, and the way we would apply that is we would take, I'm just going to set it so it's easier to see here. Now we would go and we would apply around the outside here. See, down on the side here a little bit, we'd kind of do a wipe around, getting it all the way around, and then we would do the inside. But we have to clean it first. Now there's two different products. This is a pipe cleaner that comes out of the Harvey pipe cleaner. This is what most folks who are kind of doing this on their own could use. You've also maybe heard, you'll see there's a purple version, a purple primer. The purple primer is kind of more what commercial, when a professional does it, and it's going to be inspected, because then it's a lot easier for the inspectors to see that, in this case, there would be kind of a little bit of purple that would kind of go down here, and that stuff doesn't come off. So you'd see a little purple staining, and you probably have seen that on some of your PVC that has been plumbed by a professional plumber. And that purple primer allows them to quickly see that it has been glued. So if you're just going to do it yourself, you can get away and use the pipe cleaner, because this is clear and it cleans up off your surfaces. And then you've got your glue. So first we do the prime and we get it clean with this. Once it's dry, then we come back and put the glue on it and put it all together. If you're doing this as a commercial thing, or in some jurisdictions, you would need to use the purple, just again, so that they could see that there's a little purple residue or a little purple staining that happens on the pipes, and that would allow them to quickly inspect and say, yes, that joint is glued.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.